Hi everyone, I'm Adrian Mercado. So today ang pag-uusapan natin is all about BUL. But first things first, ano bang ibig sabihin ng BUL? BUL stands for Variable Unit Life Insurance. BUL combines yung element of insurance and investment. BUL policies allow policyholders to allocate yung portion ng premium na binabayad nila into some investment like bonds, mutual fund, or stocks, while the rest goes over dun sa insurance coverage. Policyholder has some control over how their money is invested, and yung cash value na kinikita ng plan will grow over time depending dun sa performance ng investment fund na napili ni client. So here are the advantages of BUL. So first advantage is yung flexibility in premium payments. So BUL policies often allows policyholder to adjust their premium with certain limits. This flexibility can be beneficial dun sa mga tao na maaari magkaroon ng financial situations because this means that they are allowed to increase or decrease yung premium nila if needed. Next advantage naman ng BUL is yung investment control. So unlike traditional plan, si policyholder ang may ability to choose from a range of investment funds based on their risk tolerance and financial goals. This level of control allows policyholder to tailor fit yung kanilang investment strategy according to their preference and market outlook. Next advantage naman ng BUL is yung potential for high return. Because BUL allows policyholder to invest in various asset classes like stocks, bonds, and mutual fund, they have the potential to achieve higher return compared to traditional life insurance where the returns is fixed. Pero take note that high returns comes with higher investment risk. Next advantage naman ng BUL is yung tax benefits. So BUL in the Philippines offer tax-free death benefits for beneficiaries and tax-deferred growth for cash values. Next advantage naman is yung estate planning opportunities. So BUL can be used as part of the estate planning strategy to transfer wealth to the beneficiaries or the heirs tax efficiently. The policies, death benefit, as well as the cash value can help cover the estate taxes and provide liquidity to the estate without the need to sell the assets. And lastly, ito naman yung mga questions na dapat mong itanong before getting BUL. So first, what are my financial goals and risk tolerance? So first, you have to understand ano ba yung financial goals na meron ka and if it fits dun sa pagkuha mo ng BUL policy. Consider whether you are primarily seeking life insurance lang or investment growth or a combination of both. Kasi kung life insurance protection lang ang purpose mo, then traditional plan may be the best option for you. Pero kung gusto mo naman ng a little bit of everything na may insurance ka na at may konting investment ka pa, then BUL might be the best fit for you. Secondly, you have to also ask yourself, can I afford the premiums long term? BUL of policies offer flexibility in premium payment, but it's important to assess that if you are financially capable to pay for the plan long term. You have to evaluate ano ba yung current financial situation mo, yung income stability na meron ka, and yung future expense to ensure that you can consistently pay for the premium to make sure na yung insurance coverage is in force. A financial advisor like me can help you assess that para mabigyan ka ng plan that best fit yung budget na meron ka as of the moment. And lastly, you have to also ask yourself, am I comfortable managing investment decision? Kasi unlike traditional insurance policies, BUL policies require policyholders to choose ano ba yung investment allocations na gusto nila. Consider if you have the enough knowledge to make these decisions. Or if you want a more hands-off approach, you can check if a financial advisor like me can guide you in terms of investment strategy based dun sa goal and risk tolerance na meron ka. So that's it. I hope nakatulong sa'yo yung video na ito to assess if BUL is the best fit for you. So if you have any questions with regards to BUL, traditional plan, or any type of insurance, message mo lang ako. I will gladly help you.